Hello everyone, this is Lolly. So this is what I want to do. I want to take care of this big pile of washi stacked up here. I showed a couple ways I was storing my washi, and they've just gotten outdated and have been too difficult for me to use, and I'll explain why. And I also have a box, like a small envelope box full of washi as well. Plus, I think I have some stored with themed paper like Christmas, Valentine's, etc. So let me show you what I'm doing now. Okay, so the first thing that I did was I got these from Recollections, which are these stackable washi storage units. Let me take one off so I can show you more specifically how this works. And so you've got a dowel rod, you put the washies on, and then supposedly you're supposed to be able to pull it and it will stick to this and you can tear it off. It really is great in theory, but you can see that once you tear them, they don't stay. All of these at one point were stuck to this, but they don't stay. So you're always having to dig them out. And in the case when you've got them stacked, okay, so when they're stacked and you have to dig them out, like you really can't get your hands in there to get the tape unrolled and start over again. So I quit using all of these really pretty washies because they were just impossible to get to. This was another one I also got from Recollections, and it has, I stacked a bunch there. So again, same thing, you could pull it, tear it, and it's supposed to stay. They don't really. And it really didn't hold enough washi. I mean, really, you would need a lot more than these. And it takes up a lot of room. You can't just stack them up. And so it takes up a lot of room. You can't get any vertical space out of it. So what I thought, I was kind of discouraged about the mess. And then a friend of mine was talking about the sale on at Michael's, which just ends tonight, which is, well, by the time you see this video, it will be over, which was 60% off all of their craft storage. So the next time you see that might be a good time to invest in these. So my friend said that she had gone and picked up these, which are the clear washi racks. Now, what I know, and they're normally $30, but 60% off, they were what, 12, maybe 12.50 something. One thing I noticed, it has these little kind of vinyl-y rubbery feet on them, and I had to pick up, I think, 5 of these before I found one that had all 4 of those feet. So you might want to keep an eye on that, because if it only has 3 feet, for instance, it's going to wobble. Okay, so here is the way it works, and you put your washi in here, and I think I'm going to like this a lot better because I just pull the washi up that I want. I can see everything, it's clear, and for instance, you know, one of these whole tubes is going to fit in here, and I think this is just gorgeous. So I can arrange them and change how I'm organizing. So these are all pre-matched because they were, you know, one of these little tube things. But I could change it later on and put all pinks in one thing, all golds in one. I could do all the skinnies, all the glitters, you know, however I want to do it. I can just keep changing and reorganizing. So all of these fit in there. And I could still fit a couple more in, so I think I'm going to come over here, and I really like this here. They just slide out like this. Reminds me of like a tape dispenser for just Scotch tape. And this is actually one of those glitter tapes, glitter washies that you actually peel. And so there we go. You peel the back off. Now that fits in there beautifully. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 rolls in here. Okay. Now, and then I could also use this for the samples that people give me as well. Here's another one that is made where you peel the backing off. And those are a pain because they unravel in whatever system you have them in. But I'm wondering if this, because of putting it down with the the open end down, if that helps. And these ones, I think I'm going to put all these muted ones together. I think I'll put all these neutrals together. These ones were just lying loose on my table. I love all these narrow ones. They are so wonderful for putting in pages in your scrapbook. Not your scrapbook, I'm sorry, I mean your planner. These ones are nice from this company, Little, what's it called? Little Bee, because they have their own little cutting thing there, but it still, you know, becomes a hassle. So out it goes. Let's see. And I'm going to get out another one of these that I have. Okay, this one is too fat. Won't let me shut the thing. Okay, something is not right. This one too fat too. It's this one here. Okay. So some of these are too fat for the thing to close, so I have to pull them back out. But other than that, I've got these 3 drawers already filled and 2 drawers in this. Now, as I grow, oh, some of that's sticking out there. There we go. As I grow, I can reorganize and decide what colors need to go where. But for now, oh, what an amazing difference just this makes. I can put these back up on my, oops, look what I see. I see some more. I'm not sure these ones are going to fit too. They look pretty tall. I love this. Okay. It's pretty tall. Let's see if this is going to shut. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So look at this now. What a difference that makes. And this whole area here is clean, which I mean something's going to get stacked up on there accidentally. But I have 6 drawers, almost all of them filled. This one has just a few rows, and I see they are a bit tall. As I use them, it'll be easier to get them in and out of there. Might want to move them into something else temporarily, but we'll see. So I'm so happy that I did that. That is just amazing. Very, very happy with these.